I'm making caramel because I'm gonna make some leche flan. So this is my llanera. You see, I've already made 2 of them. There, all of the sugar is now melted. So you just get a tong, you know, pair of tongs, and then you just, you know, swivel it around like that. So it's gonna be level. Sometimes I burn it on the other side. There you go. You know, so it smells so good in here, guys. I don't know if you can hear me. Mubulong na naman ako. Right? Kasi nag-solidify na siya. See, ayaw na niya. Look at this one. This one has a very dark color, which I like. See? And it's so smooth. So there you have it. So I already prepped my llaneras or my leche flan pan. Okay guys, let's make the custard part for our leche flan. So the recipe I'm gonna make is the one that I got from my grandma's recipe, and my mom also used to make this recipe. So what I have here are the ingredients for the custard part of the leche flan. Okay, starting from the left side, I have the vanilla extract. I'm gonna use half a teaspoon of that, and I also have carnation evaporated milk, that is 1 can, and then the Nestle Lechera, which is the condensed milk. You can also use carnation. I know carnation condensed is really yummy, but I couldn't find one, so I just I'm gonna use La Lechera, Nestle. And then for this recipe, I'm gonna use 8 egg yolks, and the one that I have right now are extra large eggs. I'm gonna separate the egg yolks and leave the egg whites for later use. And also you're gonna need sugar. You're also gonna need 1 cup of water for this recipe. Madali lang. Parang naglalaro. You don't need any equipment. You can do this, guys. Isa pa. I'm gonna scrape it out. I have a spatula here. I'm gonna scrape it out from the can. Lemon. Half a teaspoon. Kung gusto niyo naman maghugas, you can use your KitchenAid Ayan. Pero, I don't want the trouble, so I think it's not that bad. Ayan na sila, ready na. So I put in covering aluminum foil. And then I just put it in a little piece. Really, really, really. So the stove is low and the boiling water is not actually it's just simmering. It's not boiling. So I set my timer to 35 minutes. So I'll see the finished product later. Here's the finished product. Leche flan.